Hi there, my weight weenies worldwide united. 2,390 grams is the weight of this frame, including the headset cups and the 3 Ziploc bags. So let's try again, because this scale is slightly temperamental. 2387. 2386. 2385. 2386. Okay, let's go with 2386. 2386. Now let's see how much we actually cut off. That is substantial. 9 grams. That's like a gazillion% lighter. So I have no other ideas of how to shed weight on this frame. I'm just going to file these nicely here and sand it so it's completely smooth, and I will just touch up the newly cut away there areas so they do not rust, and that's that. So yeah, tell me, what else would you do to make this frame lighter, or this bicycle build? What would you look out for? Okay, take care. Bye bye.